Welcome back to the Global Commerce Academy. We're thrilled to have you join us once again on this journey of learning and professional development. This is your one-stop platform for 100% free CMA USA lectures designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills you need to excel in the world of management accounting. We are committed to providing high-quality, accessible education to students around the globe, and we're excited to continue this mission with you. Get ready to dive deep into the world of commerce and finance. In this video, we're diving into Chapter 11, Data Relationships and Structured Query Language, SQL. This chapter is a crucial part of Part 1, Technology and Analytics from the CMA USA 2025 syllabus. We'll be exploring the fundamental concepts of how data is structured, organized, and manipulated within databases. SQL is the industry standard language for interacting with databases, and understanding data relationships is key to building effective and insightful reports. This chapter will provide you with a solid foundation in these essential skills, setting you up for success in your CMA journey and beyond. We'll cover everything from basic SQL syntax to more advanced techniques for querying and analyzing data. If you've ever wondered how data is organized behind the scenes to create those insightful dashboards and reports you see every day, this chapter is your answer. We'll demystify the process of data management and show you how raw data is transformed into actionable information. You'll learn how databases are structured, how tables are related to each other, and how SQL is used to extract and analyze the data you need. This knowledge will empower you to not only understand existing reports, but also to create your own custom analyses and visualizations. Understanding the underlying data structure is essential for making informed business decisions. Let's break it down. We're going to take a complex topic and make it easy to understand. We'll start with the basics and gradually build up your knowledge, providing clear explanations and practical examples along the way. By the end of this chapter, you'll have a solid understanding of data relationships and SQL, and you'll be well equipped to tackle more advanced topics in data analysis. So buckle up and get ready to unlock the power of data. We're excited to guide you through this essential chapter and help you master the skills you need to succeed in today's data-driven world. In any business system, whether it's a sophisticated CRM for sales, a comprehensive payroll system, or a detailed accounting package, data is the lifeblood. This data isn't just floating around, it's meticulously stored in tables, much like a well-organized filing cabinet. Think of these tables as individual spreadsheets, each holding specific pieces of information. But the real magic happens when these tables start talking to each other. They relate to one another through what we call data relationships. These relationships are the invisible threads that weave together disparate pieces of information, creating a cohesive and understandable picture of your business operations. Without understanding these relationships, you're essentially looking at a pile of disconnected puzzle pieces, unable to see the complete image. When it comes to data relationships, there are three key types that form the foundation of how information connects within your business systems. Understanding these types is crucial for any CMA looking to leverage data effectively. First, we have the one-to-one relationship. This is the simplest and most straightforward type. Think of it as a direct, exclusive link between two pieces of data. A classic example is the relationship between an employee and their unique employee ID. One employee has one and only one Idaho number. Similarly, one social security number belongs to only one person. This type of relationship ensures data integrity and avoids ambiguity. It's a fundamental building block for more complex relationships. Next, we have the one-to-many relationship. This is where things get a little more interesting. In this scenario, one record in a table can be related to multiple records in another table. A perfect example is the relationship between a customer and their orders. One customer can place many orders over time. This is a very common relationship in business databases and is essential for tracking customer behavior, sales trends, and more. Understanding this relationship allows you to analyze which customers are most valuable and what products they are buying. Finally, we have the many-to-many relationship. This is the most complex of the three and requires a bit more thought to understand. In this type, multiple records in one table can be related to multiple records in another table. A common example is the relationship between products and orders. Products appear in many different orders and, conversely, orders contain many different products. To manage this relationship effectively, a linking table is often used to break it down into two one-to-many relationships. This allows for efficient tracking and analysis of product performance and order composition. Understanding these data relationships is absolutely critical for CMAs. It helps you know how data connects across different systems and departments within your organization. This understanding allows you to see the bigger picture, identify trends, and gain valuable insights. Without this knowledge, you risk missing crucial context, making flawed assumptions, and ultimately, making bad decisions that could negatively impact your business. By mastering data relationships, you empower yourself to make informed, data-driven decisions that drive success. A relational database stores data in tables. Each table has rows, records, columns, fields, primary keys, unique IDs, foreign keys, used to link related tables. Example: you have a customer table and an order table. The customer's ID in both tables creates a connection. Relational databases like MySQL, SQL Server, and Oracle are used in most large financial systems. SQL, Structured Query Language, is the tool used to interact with relational databases. CMAs use SQL to retrieve financial data, create custom reports, monitor KPIs, identify errors or fraud, analyze historical patterns. Think of SQL as the language of data. It helps you ask questions and get precise answers from complex systems. Here's where it gets real. Forecasting: use SQL to pull sales data for the past 12 months and build trend reports. Budget variance analysis: compare actual versus budget data for each department. Internal control: identify duplicate transactions or mismatched records. Profitability: group data by region, product, or team to analyze performance. With SQL skills, a CMA moves from passive reporting to strategic insights. Mistakes CMAs must avoid: using select asterisk without filters, it pulls too much data. Not validating join keys, wrong connections equal sign wrong reports. Forgetting data types, number fields versus text fields. Best practices: always test queries in small parts. Use aliases and comments to keep SQL readable. Double-check filters before sharing reports. You don't need to be a programmer, but as a CMA, you must understand how data is structured. Be able to run basic SQL queries. Communicate with IT or data teams. Validate the data used in financial decisions. Build or request BI dashboards with SQL at the back end. In the age of automation, SQL is a must-have skill for every modern finance professional. As we reach the end of this chapter, let's take a moment to wrap it all up and consolidate our understanding of data relationships in SQL. We've covered a lot of ground, from the fundamental concepts of relational databases to the practical application of SQL in financial analysis. This chapter was designed to equip you with the essential knowledge and skills needed to effectively manage and analyze data as a certified management accountant. Remember, the ability to extract meaningful insights from data is a crucial asset in today's business environment. At the heart of data management lies the concept of relational databases. Data is not just scattered information, it's meticulously stored in relational databases through tables. These tables are structured to ensure data integrity and efficiency, allowing for seamless retrieval and manipulation. Each table represents a specific entity, such as customers, products, or transactions, and consists of rows and columns that define the attributes and characteristics of that entity. Understanding this structure is paramount to effectively working with data. But the power of relational databases truly shines when we consider the relationships between these tables. Relationships like one-to-many, one-to-one, and many-to-many connect those tables, creating a network of interconnected data. These relationships allow us to link related information across different tables, enabling us to perform complex queries and analyses. For instance, a one-to-many relationship might exist between a customer table and an orders table, where one customer can have multiple orders. Understanding these relationships is key to unlocking the full potential of your data. Now, let's talk about the tool that allows us to interact with these databases: SQL. SQL, or Structured Query Language, is the language used to query and analyze that data. It's the bridge between you and the information stored within the database. With SQL, you can retrieve specific data, filter it based on certain criteria, perform calculations, and generate reports. It's a versatile language that empowers you to extract valuable insights from raw data. Mastering SQL is like having a superpower in the world of data analysis. You can ask complex questions and get precise answers, enabling you to make informed decisions. As a CMA, you'll find countless applications for SQL in your daily work. CMAs use SQL for generating financial reports, conducting audits, monitoring key performance indicators, KPIs, and tracking performance against targets. Whether you're analyzing sales data, identifying cost trends, or evaluating the effectiveness of marketing campaigns, SQL can provide you with the insights you need to make strategic decisions. The ability to write SQL queries allows you to customize your analysis and tailor it to your specific needs. In conclusion, mastering SQL makes you faster, smarter, and more independent in your role as a CMA. You'll be able to access and analyze data more efficiently, make more informed decisions, and contribute more effectively to your organization's success. By understanding data relationships and leveraging the power of SQL, you'll be well equipped to tackle the challenges of today's data-driven business environment. Embrace the power of data, and you'll unlock new opportunities for growth and innovation. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of data relationships in SQL. We hope you found this chapter informative and insightful. Thanks for watching. Chapter 11, Data Relationships in SQL, right here on the Global Commerce Academy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on the CMA USA 2025 syllabus. We're committed to providing you with 100% free, high-quality education, complete with real-world examples, clear breakdowns, and exam-focused strategy. Stay tuned for more chapters and resources to help you achieve your CMA goals. We're here to support you every step of the way.